Hey folks, Alan here again from LearnKoreanFast.com, and in this video we're going to talk about counting, right? So basic counting is really fairly simple, right? So we just have these basic numbers, and the good part is we can use these numbers for lots of other things as we go, right? Not just for counting, but for days, months, and different kinds of things, right? So here we have, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? So when we go, there are no special words for 11, 12, 13 like there are in English. Just going to use 10 and 1, 10 and 2, right? So we have to, so just 10, 11 for 11, 12 for 12, and then 13, 14, 15, right? As we go on, right? And then when we get to 20, 20 is 2 tenths, so 20 or 30 for 30, right? So it does make it pretty easy for us to add up those numbers. Now there are other sets of numbers, but I don't want to get too far into the weeds on that for now. So let's just stay with the basic ones for now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, and then just add 10, 11, 11, 12, 13, right? Or 20, 30, 40 for 20, 30, 40, right? So those are the best things. And it's really useful to know those numbers because numbers are a big part of everyday life, right? So I hope that you can add that right away to your Korean conversation practice, right? So thanks a lot. Be sure to hit the subscribe button if you haven't done that already. Hit like, share. If you got a question or comment, be sure to leave it below, right? Check out the links to learnkoreanfast.com, and there are a couple of free resources there for you as well as there's a link below to some books on Amazon. And I really do appreciate everybody for watching these videos. 다음에 뵙시다.